Now you may check the hat. Gimme, gimme! Who are you? Hello, friends! Welcome to Sammy's Magic Show! Thank you, thank you! So for my special trick, I'm going to need a volunteer.
Hey, I'm here. I'm a volunteer. Pick me.
Great! Now pick your card. Go ahead, don't be shy. Hey, you're not supposed to show it to me. Okay, here are the cards. Let's see if I can guess the one you picked.
Can he really do that?
Dunno. We'll see.
So exciting!
So, is this your card?
Nope.
He can't even do the simplest card trick.
Yes, I can. It's just an honest mistake. Let's continue. Is this your card?
No.
Where is your card then?
There it is. I told you. Remember?
What? Did you do that on purpose? Go away!
Fine.
Bo!
Scam artist, get out of here!
I'm not a scam artist. Friends, really, trust me. Oh, it was all just a dream. Phew, I have to tell Sue about this.
Hi, friends. How's it going? Long time no see? I wonder what we're going to do today.
Stop chatting, Sue. Better look at what's under that thing.
Okay, I wonder what it is.
Everything you love, I made it myself.
Ow, how nice of you! But the tea is already cold, and the marshmallows are half-eaten.
Well, you should have come sooner. I was starving.
Oh, well. Thank you for trying anyway.
So, what fun stuff are we gonna do today? Maybe a rock concert? Cooking challenge? Ooh, let's start a fight club!
No, Sammy. We're going to do cool magic tricks, like this one. Check it out. Bibbidi-bobbidi whoosh! And inside the magic hat, there is a baby giraffe. Isn't he adorable?
Wow, it's my turn. Bring the hat. Click, clack, clack. Now you may check the hat.
Okay.
Oh no, a cockroach!
Are you all right, Sammy?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, let's stop fooling around and get down to business.
I'm ready. I won't fail like in my dream.
I believe in you. Hurry up and get me 2 glasses, please.
Yeah, I'm on it, Sue. I won't let you down. I promise. Whee!
All right, here we have a couple of Sam's favorite cookies.
This is heavy, Sue.
I'll take it from here.
Thanks. Hey, these are my cookies.
Yeah, and we need them for our tricks.
Wait a minute. The pack is empty. Where are the cookies?
You see, funny story. I was really hungry.
What? Fine. That trick should better be good.
Well, friends, as you can see, we need a wrapper and 2 tall glasses. Now, the wrapper goes here. And I will be pulling away this glass really slowly.
Oh no, Sue! Stop! The wrapping's gonna fall! Duh!
Don't worry, it's okay. See?
Whoa! How is that even possible? It just hangs in the air like that?
Yeah, I told you I'll show you a trick. A magic trick.
No. There has got to be some cheating here. I have to figure it out.
No cheating, I promise. I can teach you later, okay?
Yeah, whatever you say. Now check out what I can do. 1, 2, 3. Let the magic there be. Yay! Voila! See? It's disappeared. Pretty cool, huh? Now I'm gonna make it reappear. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Why do I have so much bad luck today?
Are you by any chance thirsty?
You know I'm always thirsty, sure. Thirsty for power.
Well, you'll definitely enjoy an orange soda then.
Ooh, can't wait.
Careful, Sammy. How am I supposed to pour a soda if the glass is upside down?
I thought this episode was supposed to be about magic tricks.
I'm making one for you right now. Now watch this. We take the glass and pop! The soda is gone.
Whoa, where did it go?
To a magical place.
First my cookies, and now my soda? That's better. Gimme!
Not just yet. Let me just pour you another one. The one we didn't use for that trick, okay? Here you go.
Hey!
Oh, you can't reach it? Let me help you.
Ladies and gentle pigs, today only, the tastiest ice cream of all flavors.
Oh, it's the ice cream man. Right about time. Hey there. Give me the best strawberry ice cream you got.
With pleasure. That'll be 3 coins.
I must have 3 coins, right? What? I have just 1 and that's it? Oh no, that can't be it. Sue! Sue, help! I need more coins!
Ah, of course, come with me. I have a special magic trick perfect for that.
A magic trick for infinite money? Take it all.
All right, for this trick, we'll need 2 plates and a coin. Let's put it in here. Friends, watch closely. Well, how do you like that, Sammy?
Wow, how did you do that? Amazing. Can I have my money now?
Sure, take it all.
Oh, thanks. But when I get back, you're telling me everything. Here, 3 coins you said?
1 strawberry ice cream coming right up.
So yummy! Oopsie! 5-second rule. I hope nobody saw that. Sue, I demand my answers.
Okay, my impatient friend. I'm ready to tell you how to do those magic tricks. Will you keep it a secret?
Of course. Friends, you promised that too, right? Then just subscribe to our channel and let's learn some magic.
We'll start from the very beginning. As for the wrapping trick, I hid something inside beforehand. Let's have a look. Pretty neat, huh?
Ooh, brilliant! How did I not realize it myself?
And for this trick, I used a glass with a double bottom. See?
Aha! I get it. So the bottom fell in the glass. That's why you didn't let me drink from it. Clever!
And finally, our plates are double bottomed too. We just put our coins right here. And then we do the whoosh. So easy, so simple.
So the coins have been there all along? It's mind-blowing, Sue! Okay, now I will show you my tricks. Welcome to Sammy's Magic Show! Oh, I really hope it won't be like in my nightmare.
Come on, Sammy. Yay! Show us what you've got.
Okay, for my first trick, I'm going to make myself disappear. Now I need you to take the blanket and spread it out in front of me. Can you do that, Sue?
No problem. Actually, I've got a very nice blanket right here.
Yay! Perfect. Are you ready? Let's do this, Susie. Huh? What? Who are you? I'm Sam, and I'm Sam!
Wow, that's amazing. Bravo, Sammy.
Thank you. She's talking to me, guys. Anyway, friends, thanks so much for being with us today. We'll see you in the next